Okay, here we are again. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put a DHT11 to measure the environment around. We're going to put it on a MT1637. Okay, let's plug it all in first. Pin 2 and 3, and pin 3 and 4, sorry. D4, D3, and then we're going to plug in the ground it and 5 volt. Okay. This the DHT, we're going to plug it in the Arduino pin 2, and then we're going to ground it. Okay, got everything ready. And now we're going to upload. Okay, let's see what happened now. It's Arduino Nano. Okay, so this will display the, there we are. What do we got? 17. Between 17 and 18 at the moment, which is quite warm, although we had a terrible weather, I must say. Okay, I think we've done now. I will put an explanation and upload the code. Thank you very much. Have a fantastic evening.